On Earth, we experience a range of environmental conditions, from the icy landscapes of Antarctica to the scorching heat of the Sahara Desert. But even at their extremes, these environments are nothing compared to the truly horrifying conditions found on some exoplanets in our universe. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most horrifying planets in our universe. From scorching lava worlds like Kelt 9b, where the concept of day and night takes a terrifying turn, to mysterious planets like TRES-2b, shrouded in eternal darkness, wandering through the vastness of space. We'll delve into the shadowy depths of rogue planets, untethered and roaming the cosmic void, and the chilling realm of zombie planets, orbiting the remnants of their dead stars. Now, without wasting any time, let's begin our cosmic journey. Our first destination is Kelt 9b, located an incredible 670 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Cygnus. Are you ready? Hold on tight as we initiate the warp drive. We're about to cross the vast expanse of space, heading to a system far beyond our solar neighborhood. In 3, 2, 1. Here we are, at our first destination in the blink of an eye. Welcome to Kelt 9b, a world so harsh and extreme, it stands as one of the most horrifying planets ever discovered. In 2017, the astronomical community was captivated by the discovery of this remarkable exoplanet. This planet, designated Kelt 9b, orbits a star that is more than twice the size and almost double the temperature of our Sun, known as Kelt 9. The detection of this gas giant, almost 3 times the mass of Jupiter, was made possible by the transit method, where astronomers observed the dimming of light as the planet passed in front of its star. This subtle yet revealing dip in brightness unveiled a world enduring some of the most extreme conditions ever observed. Closely orbiting its star, Kelt 9b is situated just about 3% of the distance from the Earth to the Sun, an incredibly short distance. This proximity subjects the planet to extreme conditions, with temperatures soaring over 4,300 degrees Celsius, far hotter than anything experienced on Earth, and even surpassing the heat of some stars. Imagine standing in the middle of a vast desert here on Earth, under the scorching midday sun, where the heat is so intense it feels like the air itself is on fire. Now, multiply that feeling many times over. Being on Kelt 9b would be like standing in the heart of an unimaginable furnace, where even metals like iron could melt into the air around you, creating a shimmering, glowing haze. The sky wouldn't be blue, but a blazing, radiant canopy filled with the fierce light of its close, searing star. It's a place where the concept of hot takes on an entirely new meaning, far beyond the hottest temperatures we've ever experienced on Earth. In the shadow of its blazing star, this gas giant presents a terrifying spectacle. Tidally locked, one side of this gas giant is forever scorched under the star's fury, while the other side exists in endless night. Imagine being pulled towards this planet, only to realize there's no ground to land on. As you approach, the intense heat and blinding light from the star would be overwhelming. On this huge planet, there's no solid surface to welcome you, only a deep expanse of superheated gas. It's a world without a haven, a ceaseless storm of extreme temperatures and crushing pressures. If you were to descend into its atmosphere, you wouldn't find a surface to fall upon, but rather be engulfed in a violent, swirling inferno. The concept of standing on Kelt 9b is meaningless in this dense, gaseous environment. You'd be perpetually falling, plunging into depths of ever-increasing heat and pressure, an inescapable fate in a world that defies the very nature of our understanding of planets. Kelt 9b, a world where the day side faces eternal torment from its star, and the night side offers no refuge, stands as a harrowing reminder of the merciless extremes that can exist in our universe. As we leave behind the scorching inferno of Kelt 9b, our journey through the universe's most extreme planets takes us to a world shrouded in mystery. We're about to encounter a planet so unique, it defies our understanding of what a world can be. Brace yourself as we venture towards the darkness of TRES 2b. Here, we find a planet so enigmatic, so unlike anything we've seen before. Prepare to explore the darkest known planet in our universe. The discovery of this dark world in 2006 marked a fascinating chapter in exoplanetary science. Situated in the Draco constellation, this world, approximately 750 light-years from Earth, stands out for its astonishing lack of reflectivity. Almost similar in size to our solar system's Jupiter, it completes a rapid orbit around its host star in just 2.5 Earth days. This close orbit results in tidal locking, similar to the Kelt 9b, which we already talked about, a phenomenon where the planet shows only one face to its star, akin to the relationship between Earth and its moon. Intriguingly, TRES 2b absorbs over 99% of the light it receives, making its appearance darker than fresh asphalt, a trait that has puzzled astronomers. Theories suggest this unique darkness could be attributed to an atmosphere laden with light-absorbing compounds, such as vaporized sodium and potassium, or perhaps heavy metal gases like titanium oxide, which could contribute to a thick, heat-absorbing atmospheric layer. With surface temperatures soaring above 1,000 degrees Celsius, this exoplanet is a realm of superheated gases and swirling dark clouds. Its extreme temperature and unusual atmospheric composition make it one of the most mysterious exoplanets known. Picture yourself falling toward a world where the only thing keeping you warm is your spacesuit. As you approach, you are engulfed in a profound darkness that is deeper than any shadowy crack on Earth. The air is heavy with metallic fumes and feels like a blanket that is both invisible and oppressive. You find yourself engulfed in an incredibly hot and intense maelstrom, with temperatures rising above 1,000 degrees Celsius. The pitch-black exoplanet seems as a world lost to light in this region of shadows. Echoing the nature of Kelt 9b, this celestial giant offers no solid ground, no haven to find solace. Your descent leads you deeper into a realm of obscurity and inferno, where the air turns increasingly hostile. Direction and orientation lose all meaning in this engulfing darkness. More than a planet, it's an abyss where the concepts of up and down vanish into eternal gloom, a relentless nightmare woven from the darkest shadows and fire. Contemplate the dread, isolated, consumed by the overwhelming darkness and scorching heat of this shadow-enshrouded world, a stark reminder of the universe's haunting and unfathomable depths. A star's life and death can happen very dramatically in space. Picture a star similar to our Sun and is about to die. It grows until it becomes a red giant, and then it explodes as a supernova, a huge, destructive explosion that marks the end of the star. From this spectacular end, a new type of star is born, the neutron star. Created from the remains of the supernova's core, this small yet incredibly dense star is about the size of a city, but its mass is immense. Around this neutron star, a miraculous phenomenon occurs. Planets, or what's left of them, begin to orbit. These are the zombie planets, born from the ashes of their dead star. Against all odds, they survived the supernova, a testament to the resilience of celestial objects. These zombie planets tell a story of survival and rebirth. Orbiting their dead star, they exist in a state of cosmic limbo. The light they receive is faint, their skies illuminated by the ghostly glow of the neutron star. It's a stark and haunting scene, a constant reminder of the star's violent past. Imagine being on a zombie planet. The sky is lit by a faint, strange glow from the neutron star, the remains of what used to be a bright sun. This dim light creates long, spooky shadows everywhere, making everything look strange and beautiful in a scary way. The land around you stretches out, quiet and empty, lit only by the weak light from above. The quietness is almost spooky as the neutron star hangs silently in the sky. Standing here, you'd see what's left after a star dies and then comes back in a different form, a landscape that's hard to even imagine because it's shaped by forces from outer space. The predicament of a rogue planet, celestial orphans that previously belonged to far-off solar systems but now travel the galaxy alone, is reflected in the tale of a lone, ancient ship wandering in an unending ocean beneath a starry sky with no shore in sight. These planets travel the cosmic sea in silence, freed from the warmth of a star. Their voyage has the eerie beauty of those ghost ships from nautical mythology. Rogue planets are a group of intergalactic vagrants existing outside the orderly orbits of our solar system. From Mercury's swift path to Neptune's distant loop, our solar system's planets follow predictable trajectories around the Sun. In stark contrast, rogue planets do not orbit a star. Instead, they drift freely through the galaxy, unbound by gravitational ties, leading a nomadic existence. Their range in size and composition varies, from gas giants larger than Jupiter to rocky worlds akin to Earth. These interstellar drifters roam the vastness of space in solitude, devoid of a star's warmth. Their surfaces are realms of intense cold, where the lack of sunlight transforms landscapes into frozen wastelands. One can imagine icy terrains dominated by towering structures akin to mountains and valleys, all sculpted by the relentless chill of space. The absence of light renders them invisible to the naked eye, painting a picture of ghostly worlds wandering unseen through the galaxy. Some rogue planets were formed in the early chaos of their home systems and flung into space, while others may have formed independently in the galactic void. Their stealth and unpredictability make them fascinating yet daunting subjects for astronomers. Detecting these elusive wanderers is challenging due to their lack of emitted light. Astronomers rely on techniques like gravitational microlensing, which occurs when a rogue planet passes in front of a distant star, bending and magnifying the star's light. This acts as a cosmic magnifying glass, allowing us to infer the presence of these planets. The number of rogue planets in our galaxy is a topic of speculation. Some astronomers suggest there might be billions, potentially more rogue planets than stars in the Milky Way. This implies that rogue planets are a significant yet hidden component of our cosmic environment. Their presence raises intriguing questions about the makeup and dynamics of our galaxy. While the odds are astronomically low, the impact of a rogue planet colliding with Earth would be catastrophic, potentially ending all life. Even a close pass could disrupt Earth's orbit, triggering climate changes or moving us out of the habitable zone. Their paths through our solar system could destabilize orbits, causing chaos among planets and moons. Currently, our technology limits our ability to detect these interstellar intruders in time to prepare for potential encounters. This adds an element of mystery and unpredictability, to our understanding of the cosmos, highlighting the vast and unexplored nature of our universe. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving it a thumbs up. Until next time, your support is greatly appreciated.